Have you ever watched a movie or a live concert and wondered how we see the exact same moment from so many different angles? The person singing, the crowd cheering, the close-up on guitar, all at once. The secret is something called multi-camera or multicam editing. And today, I'm going to show you how you can do it, even without a computer, right on your phone. In professional productions, from Hollywood films to reality TV shows and live sports, they use multiple cameras to capture a single scene from every possible angle. But here's the key step that makes it all work: synchronization. Before they start filming a scene, they'll use a clapperboard or simply clap their hands. That sharp sound creates a visual and audio spike on every camera's recording. Later, the editor lines up those spikes, and just like that, all the cameras are perfectly synced. Once you have your sync footage, you typically use powerful computer software like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut Pro. They have a dedicated multicam feature that lets you cut between angles in real time. It's incredibly smooth. But what if you don't have access to a computer? What if all you have is your smartphone? Well, here's the honest truth. There's no dedicated app for Android or iOS that lets you do true real-time multicam editing. It's one of those features that's still missing from the mobile world. But don't worry. Where there's a will, there's a way. Today, I'm going to show you a smart workaround using a popular app, Alight. It's a bit of a trick, but it works. So let's get started. First, you need to shoot your video. Remember the golden rule: use multiple cameras. For this example, I've used 4 different phones to record this simple spinning top. And most importantly, I didn't forget to clap at the beginning so I can sync them later. Now, open Alight and import all 4 video clips onto your timeline. Our first job is to sync them perfectly. We'll use the sound of the clap to do this. Tap on a video clip. Go to the options in the top right corner and select Extract Audio. Do this for every clip. Now, zoom in on the timeline and carefully line up the audio waveforms. You're looking for that sharp spike from the clap. Match them all up as precisely as you can. This is the most important step to make sure your angles are in perfect sync. Once all 4 videos are synced, we're going to arrange them so we can see all the angles at once. This will help us plan our edits. Tap on the first video layer. Set its position to x equals 480. Y equals 270, and its size to width equal 960, height equal 540. For the second video, set the position to x equals 1440, y equals 270, and size to width equal 960, height equal 540. Do the same for the third and fourth videos, positioning them in the bottom half of the screen. Now, playing 4 high-quality videos at once can be too much for a phone. If your preview starts lagging or stuttering, here's a simple fix. Select all 4 video layers, group them, and export this project as a single low-quality video. Then import that new lightweight video back into a new Alight project. This combined video will play back much more smoothly. Once it's imported, you can disable the visibility of your original 4 video layers, but keep them in the project for now. Now for the magic trick that simulates switching cameras. We're going to use Alight camera function. Add a new camera layer. This will act as our angle 1. Now, duplicate this camera layer 3 times, so you have 4 cameras in total. Click on the first camera. We need to frame it, so it only shows our first angle from the exported video. This requires a bit of trial and error with the camera's position and size, but you're essentially zooming in and moving the frame, so it perfectly covers just one corner of your 4-way split screen. Do the same for the second, third, and fourth cameras, positioning each to focus on a different angle. Once you've made all your cuts, you can hide or delete the original exported video layer and re-enable your original 4 video layers. But make sure their visibility is turned off, so only the camera layers are showing through. This will give you a cleaner, final timeline. And there you have it. It might not be as fast as professional software, but with this method, You can absolutely create dynamic multicam edits right on your mobile phone using Alight Motion. It's a perfect workaround until a dedicated app is finally developed. If you found this trick helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more filmmaking tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.